Guys, we are back at it again. Folks, today our objective is pulling out this windshield without breaking it. This is my first time pulling a windshield out. I've never done this before. And so for those that are professional at the end of this video, please leave a comment down below. So what we're going to do today is we're going to actually pull this windshield. I think it looks pretty good. There's a couple little, oh, that's no chip. Might be a little chip right down there. Well, the rest of it looks pretty good. So I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to pull this windshield today. What we're going to start off with is we're going to take these windshield wipers off. So we're going to pull these little caps off. Right here, I might have to grab a needle nose pliers. Pull that off, pull that off. We're going to pull this little cover off right here. And then we're going to just start working with that. Looks like we need a 13mm. Brought the big guns in, which is probably overkill. At this point, you want to use a little friendly persuasion to pull these wiper arms off. At this point, you have 3 Phillips screws that you need to pull out. Now we need to pull the gasket around the windshield. Here we have our windshield removal kit, Pittsburgh Special. Here I had the windshield knife tool that eventually I was going to take the wire and push it through the windshield. So you got the tip through right there, and I got this guy. I think we're going to pull the cable through at the moment. Going to cut a little piece off. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to take this guy, go about halfway up. And go in from a corner. All right, the cable and the knife just came through, so I just got to push a little bit more through there. Come on, there we go. I'm gonna unhook the cable inside just like that. Pull that out. Go inside. I'm gonna fish one of the ends of the cable through. So I got the cable right down here. Perfect. Okay, I got that through. Now I'm going to grab the handles. Okay, it says you want to fish it through, so I'm going to fish that little jobby through. And then it has this little hole right here at the top. I'm going to pull it through as well. And then I just pull this handle back up like that. And that technically should hold the cable in place. And come to the outside over here. See if we can do the same thing. So I'm going to slide this handle down. I just got this tool at Harbor Freight, so I don't think it's anything special. I'm sure you can get it on Amazon. Slide it up. Slide this piece up. I'm going to slide it through this whole little eyelet right there. Okay, then I think we just pull it up just like so. Then essentially, yeah, you just take both ends and you go back and forth cutting the adhesive off the windshield. That should do the trick. Okay, now I'm getting to a point where I can't put my arms on the inside of the car and on the outside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually leave the thread really long, or the cable really long, and I'm gonna have one arm here on the outside. I'm gonna have one arm on the outside, one on the inside, and I'm just gonna start working it back and forth along the top. Let's see if this works. All right, I believe up to this moment, I have the top part, so the top part and the opposite side cut all the way through. Now I need to work on this bottom side. And so I'm gonna bring the cable down right over here, and then I'm just gonna start working it through over here. Worst case scenario, I'm trying not to use it, but I have a multi-tool, which I've used in the past, and they do work. It's not advised because you can damage a lot more things with it, but let's give the cable a shot again. All right, I grabbed some more cable. This one I made a little bit longer, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the knife, and I'm gonna shove it through. All right, got the cable through right here. Now we're gonna pull the knife out, and we're gonna attach our handles onto it. All right, we're back on the project again. Yesterday, when I was working on this windshield, I was running to the issue where I have the cable right here and then underneath, and I'm just like, I can't reach inside and maneuver my hand in the inside and also on the outside. So I left it at that, but then last night I was thinking about it. Oh, why don't I, poke a hole right here in the middle of the bottom of the windshield, put the cable through there, and then just do a longer cable, and then I'll just start pulling it back over through each side. And so that's what I'm going to do today. So don't cut up too much of the interior. I'm gonna take off this interior piece right here, just two 10 millimeters. Another 10 millimeter. Oops. pull this interior trim piece off. Wow, that was a task. All right, so I got the windshield loose on this side. Now I'm gonna take the handle. I need to move it over back to the middle so I can do the opposite side. There we go. I was able to work it a little bit. Now I'm gonna move you over. So what I'm trying to accomplish here is now that I've got this side of the windshield done, I want to start working on that side. So I'm just trying to pull the cable in position. Alright, I just forgot I'm going to need to remove the interior panel on this guy as well, so stand by. All right, I think I just about have it. There might just be a little bit of glue left on there, but what I want to see about doing is removing some of this stuff. Let's see. Looks like I need a Phillips screwdriver. Oh, looks like this piece will just pop out. That's good. Set that down here. Slide that piece off. And then it looks like it's a Phillips right there. So I'm gonna go grab my Phillips. All right, let's see what's holding this windshield up. Looks like I got one little sliver that's holding on to it up here. Alright, I think the whole thing is loose. Folks, and just like that, the windshield is out. If any of you have to go through this process, all the tools can be found at your local Harbor Freight store. It is called the Windshield Removal Kit. All right there, folks. Looks like we got this windshield pulled out. Like always, not the most pretty way, but that's one way to pull the windshield out.